Why are there cows in my window? What are you doing out there? You're making all kinds of noise. You're not being very good guests. Especially you. What are you doing here? Morning, you idiots. I gotta get you guys back over there and find out how you got in here. Hey! Stop messing with their stuff. What on earth? What are you doing, butthead? You guys are like misbehaved children. Don't you come over here and start butting me. You idiot. I'll kick your butt. I'll grab your head. I'll twist your head off. You're a pain in the butt. I'm gonna lock you out of here. You ever connect with one of those things, I'm in big trouble. Big dope. Jeez. Alright, well, I'm gonna drone you. See if I can get you back to where you belong. Good dog. Ooh, good dog. You can see you've been going through the woods. You got all those little stupid things all over you. Stop trying to eat everything, you idiots. Now, don't you come over here. I'll fish you. Don't eat that either. Alright. Stop trying to get in trouble. You guys like a bad penny. I'm gonna keep you out of here. Alright. I'll be back out to deal with you in a little bit. Knock it off, you goon. This is why you can't have livestock in your freaking yard. You're just nuts. Alright. That's it for you. See you in a little bit, bunch of buttheads.